Today I share with you how to make one pot of ogbono soup. So guys, this is just so simple to get done and it was really delicious for everyone to try. To begin guys, I'm going to be adding this fresh chicken. Everything about this soup is going to be fresh meat guys, because it's just one pot of soup that will make your day to look beautiful. After adding the fresh meat, then I'm going to season that with pepper mix, that is onions and hot pepper, season with chicken seasoning, then adding salt to taste, and then I'm adding this knorr cube, that is Maggi seasoning. I make use of 2 cubes. After adding that, I'm going to be adding this water. This is the same water I used to whisk the pepper, then adding the water and cover that to cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, it has turned to boil. What I'm going to do now is to bring out the fish before I will turn the soup. I'm going to bring out the fish from the pot, bring everything out. So it's fresh fish guys, don't proceed, if not it's going to make that to scatter. So you don't need that, just keep that aside. So what I do now is to stir the chicken and the crab together. I'm going to cover that so that both of them will still cook for another 5 minutes before I will proceed. So I'm not going to bring this one out, just cover 5 minutes of cooking that. Again, this is what I have. So what I'm doing now is to add in more water, that is 1 cup of water, then add in crayfish. So I make use of 3 teaspoons of crayfish, that is grounded crayfish, then add that and stir together. So I'm going to get that again to turn to boil. So guys, take note, just 1 pot of ogbono soup. Everything is going to come in and you are going to love it. So cover that to turn to boil. At this point it has turned to boil, so now it's ready to add in the ogbono. So first of all, get everything stirred together, and over here we have our ogbono guys. I make use of 1 cup of ogbono, then add everything inside the soup. So guys, first of all, mix your ogbono with anything oil, that is red oil guys. So after getting that mixed, you are going to add that inside soup and stir that together. So this is the time I just stir everything together, and then I'm going to stir so that the ogbono will get dissolved before I will stop stirring that. So after stirring that, the ogbono have get dissolved. All I do now is to get that to turn to boil until it's like this. Look at that. When it's on to boil, I'm going to be having something like this. Just see how this is pumping. It's pumping so beautiful guys. So at this point, I'm going to turn in the chicken, not chicken guys, the fish back to the soup. So I'm going to add in all the fish back inside the soup, just like this. So what I do now is to add in this fresh leaf. So I make use of fresh palak, that's vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice, but I prefer this one at this point. So I just add in that, add in another crayfish and stir together. All you got to do guys is to share this video so you can make a delicious ogbono soup for yourself. You are going to love it. Just share this video. This is just so amazing. 1 pot of soup guys, just imagine your soup done dey done. Until they talk again, this is just so simple. So all I do now is to get that to turn to boil until I have something like this. Until now guys, our soup done dey make yopo. At this point it done done. Yeah, soup done done guys. All I do now is to stir that. You know one thing about Nigeria soup, we love to enjoy our soup with anything swallow. So any delicious swallow is going to go well with any of our soup. So guys, at this point, my soup done and I'm about to serve the soup. What am I eating guys? I'm eating better swallow with this soup. This is just so amazing. It has been long I eat fresh soup. When I get this done, I was so grateful that this soup just caught the right time, and I just love every bit of this soup. In my next one guys, all you gotta do is to share. Try this for yourself. Bye.